welcome back. So in my previous video I did a clean and decorate with me where I focused on my piano room in here and I cleaned in here and I started redecorating the room. I pulled out my red decor and replaced it with a lot of gold decor, like my pretty pillows behind me. And these are actually in my store. They are on sale now if you're watching as I post, and there's a very limited stock of those, like literally super limited. But yeah, this video I am going to be adding some wall art to my wall here, which is behind me. It's all bare, and I'm so thankful because ElephantStock has sponsored this video. So I have some artwork from ElephantStock that I picked out that I think is going to go great in here. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and open up my artwork, unbox it, give you guys a review of it, and we're gonna see how it looks in my room. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'm super excited because I think the artwork's gonna look so great and it looks so gorgeous, and I think it's just gonna be like one of the focal points as soon as you like walk into the room. So I'm super excited about opening it up and seeing how it looks. So let's go ahead and open it up. So opening up, it comes nicely wrapped. I was so happy to see it was well wrapped with no damage to the painting. I have styrofoam around it as well as tape, and the shipping was actually fast too. Even with what's going on, the shipping came pretty quick, so I was happy about that. And here I'm just showing you the package and the wrapping of it and how they have it secured. I was very impressed. So it comes with hanging instructions, and you can use nails, you can use your leveler, you know, however you hang your paintings. Personally, if you've been watching my channel, I hang a different type of way. You guys are gonna see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this package. I'm super excited to see how it looks. But I want to be very careful as not to damage the artwork. And as you can see, it looks amazing. Like, I hadn't even fully opened it up. The quality of it is really nice. The unique layouts that they offer allows you to express yourself in so many ways. I mean, it's so many designs on there. Even for me to find the piece that I wanted to go in my room, it took me so long because they have so many pieces. They have so many different layouts, and the options are endless. So I definitely recommend that you guys go check that website out and look at some of their artwork because they have so much. Anything you can think of, they have. And you can also print your own designs as well on canvases. I love canvases. I've had canvas art in all of my homes because I'm a huge fan of canvas art. They're super easy to hang. The artwork is 3 pieces and it's in a black matte with the letters in gold. And I'm really impressed with the quality. The quality is very well. I love that it is like matte too and not shiny. So these paintings are super easy to hang. They come with hangers already installed. So once we figured out our middle piece first, because I wanted that to be the center, you always want to start in the middle anyway and work your way outwards. It's just easier. Once we figured out our middle piece, we got the other 2 up after that. I'm hanging mine with my thumbtacks. You guys know I'm a huge thumbtacks fan. I love hanging my artwork with thumbtacks, especially if it's not heavy. And this piece of artwork was not heavy at all. And so usually with my canvas artwork, I do hang them with thumbtacks. But, you know, that's just me personally because I don't like lots of holes in my walls because, you know, moving and selling a home, you have lots of repairs. But you can definitely use nails. Nails are definitely more secure than using thumbtacks. But if you're renting or you don't want anything super permanent, because I do switch out things a lot in my home, artwork included. So thumbtacks for me just work better because it doesn't show a huge hole in your wall and you can easily move paintings around without your wall looking holy. But again, only if a thumbtack can hold it. For this one, I used 2 thumbtacks for each piece. So I used 6 thumbtacks total to hold the paintings, and I just leveled them to make sure they were level. But again, nails are always more secure. But that's just my little hack. I Like I mentioned, printing of it is really nice and the quality is good. But if you are unhappy with the quality or even the canvas, or you just don't like the decor in your room itself, they have a free return policy, no questions asked, in the United States and Canada, and you can return it within 60 days. I love that part about it, because sometimes you don't know how a piece is going to look in your room and with your, you know, decor and how you have it in your head. So that's really great that they have a free return policy, no questions asked. So, you know, guys, keep that in mind. I really like that about the company. And here's the final result. I love how it looks. I'm so happy about adding the gold accents. I'm happy about adding this canvas artwork from ElephantStock. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.